to do mandalas and puerto natales. I gotta show you how to do a mandala like this. Something ground, and we make a circle like this. We make a circle in the middle, and we cut. They cut like this.
We're making the dents, and it should be more or less the same size. I'm using my thumb. Now we need to add the yarn. We will do it from this in this direction, crossing here in this direction. So we take the yarn.
Good job, Mom.
Okay. And we put this here, crossing this, and it goes in this direction, crossing here and behind. We have finished almost, but now we need to tie this down. So this is the last one. We introduce it towards the middle, and then we make some knots so that everything will be in the center. We bring this here, we bring this here, we make a knot in the middle just so that it doesn't go away. And on the back we make a knot. We make a knot and we leave a tail.
A piece of yarn. We put it for a meal. And we make a knot. We have to do this. When we start, we have to do one yes, one no, one yes, one no, one yes, one no, one yes. We can do fun things like worms.
Like this. It's like tying knots in every string.
That was awesome.
When we finish, we pull the yarn through the back, and then here on the back we make a knot so that it doesn't go away.
Again, a knot.
Again a knot, yeah?
Wow,
Right. So we have this like this,
that was fun.
and when we want to start again, we pull the new yarn again through the hole. When we are advanced, we won't need this anymore, but in the beginning we do it this way. Put the yarn here.
And now we will make a flower.
So we will pull the yarn and we will make big waves. The next row holds the petals, keeping them in place so that it doesn't go away. Like this. We push a little bit and then we continue. This is our flower. We can change colors and textures. We can make it of one string. We can make it double string. We can go one every one or every two. Now I'm doing every 3, and it will give me a different pattern. We can do many things. We can leave little balls hanging. We can, just use your imagination and do whatever you like.
Very cool mandalas. This is our canvas. Now we remove the mandala from the cardboard. Finished our mandala.